So it's cold outside, so I'm not cutting the grass because I saw so many bees outside. So I want the bees, I want them to have enough nectar, so I'm not cutting anything here, no? You know, so yeah, look at that. It's beautiful, but it's very cold outside right now. Yeah, I fenced this part so nobody can walk into it. So I make it look like this. Yeah. Yeah. So I did it like this, so that the bees, they can have something to nectar to feed themselves, and this I got from somebody for the kids. Alright, so my strawberries, that's how they are looking right now. Yeah, they're coming, but it's a little bit cold. You know, I put some eggshells around it to shrek snails up. Alright, so I'm going to do those eggshells, and let's check on my flowers. So some water is on top of it, my little greenhouse. So let's see. Okay, so they are coming still, the flowers. I covered them because I didn't want. Okay, look, now there's a lot of them coming up now. I don't want ice to fall on them or them to freeze, so that's why I cover them with the plastic. And since I covered them with the plastic, I see a lot of them popping up now. So let's cover them back down like this. Yeah, the plastic might help keep it a little bit warm. When I see my lavender, maybe I should cut it a little bit. I don't know. Yeah. And my bug hotel, the hotel for the bugs. Yeah, there are some snails still. I need to get rid of these snails. I put the snails far over there. Yeah, over that corner, but they travel come back to my strawberry bed, so I have to find a way how to deal with that. Yeah, and the strawberries, they are coming good because first they were like this. This one is covered down. That one got too much water, and now they are like this. And look at that, some of them are blossoming. Yeah. You saw my previous video where I cleaned up these strawberries and replanted them. They are strawberries from last year. I only just replanted them. Yeah, so I want to also clean up the rest of this palm here because it dried out because of the winter. They left it outside in winter, and I need to pop off this so that they can grow better, fresh, clean, you know. Yeah. So I planted some sunflowers here, but I don't see the big sunflowers. I don't see them coming up yet. And that thing here, I don't know if this is a mint or what that is, but it looks like a mint and it smells like a mint. But since I wasn't the one who planted it, I'm just leaving it in the pot like that. I put it in the pot. It was outside. I think it's wild mint, but I have no idea.